motivational speaker. And today, hi everyone, this is Akanksha Negi. I'm an anchor and motivational speaker. And today we have a very gorgeous, a very talented celebrity nutritionist and dietitian with us. So I'm just waiting her to be online with me. Her name is Ruchita Maheshwari. She's very talented. और थोड़ी ही देर में हमें ज्वाइन करने वाली है रुचिता हमारे साथ.
Hi.
Hi Ruchita.
How are you, Akansha?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm doing good.
तो कैसे चल रहे हैं आपके दिन क्वारंटीन में? सबसे पहले ये बताइए हमें.
क्वारंटाइन के डेज ऑनेस्टली काफी बोरिंग जा रहा है. इनिशियली लग रहा था कि ओके इट्स अ गुड ब्रेक, बट ऑनेस्टली इट्स गोइंग वेरी बोरिंग. But the good part is you're getting a lot of time to spend with family.
I know that happens. तो रुचिता पहले सबसे पहले तो मुझे आप ये बताइए दैट मैंने आपके बारे में पढ़ा है, आप सेलिब्रिटी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हैं और आप डाइटिशियन भी हैं, बड़ी कमाल की. और विद्युत जामवाल भी मैंने आपके साथ देखा था, विद्युत जामवाल को. एंड टू टेल यू फ्रैंकली, आई एम अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ विद्युत जामवाल. So I have like a very huge crush on him, and I was so happy to see you with him. So how was it? How was the experience with Vidyut Jamwal? You got an award, I think, from him.
Yes, recently I have got an award from Vidyut Jamwal for Best Nutritionist in Mumbai, Maharashtra, looking at her work. So honestly, experience I can't express in words. जैसे आपने कहा सबको crush है, it's a big crush. So at the same time, it was very happy moment, but at the same time, I was nervous also to go on the stage. Like it was mixed feeling altogether, but it was a lovely experience.
It was a lovely experience meeting Vidyut.
Yeah.
So
he's very down to earth.
Yeah, he is, and he's a fitness freak. So you know, एक dietitian के लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ा, जब उनको आपने सामने देखा होगा, विद्युत की जो फिटनेस है वो बॉलीवुड में, आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी नोज दैट ही इज, यू नो, ही इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट अबाउट हिज डाइट एंड हिज फिटनेस. तो आपने कुछ टिप्स दिए क्या? आपने कुछ टिप्स दिए क्या अपनी तरफ से विद्युत? यू गिव हिम एनी?
honestly इतना टाइम नहीं था, to be honest. It was a lot of, काफी सारे लोग थे and it was back to back event. So इतना टाइम नहीं था वरना surely देती.
But you got to meet him.
Yeah, I got to meet him. I took selfie. I spoke to him little bit, जितना हो सका, as a fan also. So yeah, it was nice experience.
अच्छा रुचिता, मैं थोड़ा सा ये जानना चाहूंगी आपसे दैट जनरली यू नो डाइटिशियंस के बारे में व्यू पॉइंट होता है दैट उनके पास लोग जाने से बहुत डरते हैं. जब वो डाइट का नाम सुनते हैं जनरली तो बड़ा डरते हैं कि यू नो डाइट करना पड़ेगा, हमें पता नहीं क्या क्या खाना पड़ेगा. बट आई हैव हर्ड दैट
क्या क्या खाना
पड़ेगा,
वही कुछ खाने को नहीं मिलेगा.
कुछ खाने को नहीं मिलेगा. जो मैंने देखा है, जब when I went to a dietitian, so she suggested me little portions.
Okay.
And you know, we are very much, we are basically, हम लोग इंडियंस हैं, तो हमारा कैसा होता है ना कि हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा, हाँ, हमारा कैसा होता है कि हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा इंडियन फूड के शौकीन होते हैं. हम लोग को बहुत, यू नो, वी राइस, वी रेलिश राइस, वी रेलिश रोटीज. तो वो सबसे पहले जो मुझे डाइट में बोला था दैट यू हैव टू लीव राइस. एंड आई एम an ardent rice lover. I just love rice like anything. So guys, we have Ruchita with us. She's a very she's a celebrity dietitian and nutritionist. और उनके जो डाइट्स होते हैं बहुत ही फेमस हैं बिकॉज वो बहुत ज्यादा यमी डाइट्स देती हैं अपने जितने भी क्लाइंट्स होते हैं उनको. एंड शी बी जॉइनिंग अस अगेन. या रुचिता,
हेलो,
बैक अगेन.
Can't see you. I
We
think
are back
network
again on.
issues.
We are back again right
Hel-
now.
Hello.
Can you see me?
I can't see you, Akansha.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I can't see you.
You can't see me, but you can hear me. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Now I can
Can
see
you see
you.
me now? Now you can see me?
Yes, I can see you
Perfect.
now. Yes, yes,
Perfect. Perfect.
yes.
परफेक्ट होता है बीच बीच में लॉकडाउन में एवरीबडी इज ऑन द नेट राइट नाउ तो सारे लोग जो है
Yes,
नेट एक्सेस कुछ ना कोई देख रहा है कोई नेटफ्लिक्स पे लगा है कोई यूट्यूब पे लगा है तो इट्स लाइक
true.
द नेट
Happen.
बेसिकली जैमिंग क्रैमिंग
Yes.
बट अच्छा
काफी
रुचिता हम
ज्यादा.
अपनी
Hmm.
हाँ मैं आपसे बात कर रही थी आपसे जानना चाह रही थी डाइट्स के
Hmm.
बारे में
Hmm.
आपका जो
Hmm.
सफर है वो कैसे शुरू हुआ एज अ डाइटिशियन एज अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट योर करियर
Okay, so it was actually very unusual. I haven't decided कि मुझे nutrition में ही आगे जाना है. It happened all sudden, but I wanted to do something related to food, and I wanted to help maximum people. So from there, I got away and I started my journey. From there, then I pursued nutrition. फिर वहाँ से journey मेरी चालू हुई. Then started first from home. Health starts from home. So I gave them plans how they are working. Then after experience of 7 to 8 years, I am here right now in front of you.
So it's been 7 to 8 years that you have been into
Yeah.
this industry. 7-8 साल आपको
Yes.
हो चुके
Yes.
हैं
Yes.
तो
8 years.
आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है रुचिता मतलब ये पहली बार हुआ होगा आई थिंक आपके साथ भी सबके साथ पहली बार हुआ है कि हम सब क्वारंटीन में हैं और एक इतना बड़ा
Yes.
वायरस विच इज द एंटायर वर्ल्ड एंड एवरीबडी
Yes.
इज एक्चुअली हम लोग सब लोग डरे हुए हैं बिकॉज देर इज नो वैक्सीन फॉर इट तो एक
Yes.
डाइट ही एक ऐसी चीज होती है जिसे हम फॉलो कर सकते हैं बिकॉज जहां भी मैं थोड़ा बहुत मैं न्यूज में मैं पढ़ रही हूँ दैट आपका इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए टू फाइट दिस
करेक्ट. यस, ट्रू.
या
अगर हम इम्यूनिटी की बात करते हैं एंड बैलेंस डाइट की भी बात करते हैं तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ईट इन अ हेल्दी वे. ओके, द बेस्ट पार्ट इज आई कैन से currently most of people are not eating out, so somewhere you're safe. But when it comes to eating healthy, make sure that you're eating, cooked food. The food should be cooked nicely. Make sure when you're getting veggies from outside, you're washing them very nicely. You can wash them in a baking soda water, okay, which will also help to remove impurities from there. You can take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and almost 2 to 3 liters of water. Okay, and you can simply wash veggies for at least 20 seconds. So it will help to remove the impurities as well from the vegetable. Try to eat more cooked. Don't prefer salads for now because it's not that much safe to eat salad currently. Because in most cases we have heard that corona is also getting spread via vegetable vendors. Vegetable vendors.
That's true.
Correct. So currently, the most safest will be you eat only home cooked food. What I generally do in my family, I prepare you can say a decoction where I add one green tea bag. I take some water, almost 500 ml to 1 liter of water. I add green tea in that. I add 2 to 3 cloves in that. I add ginger. I add turmeric powder. I add cinnamon in that, and I make sure that I'm boiling it very nicely for at least 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. And then I'm straining this. I'm giving to all of my family members, where it also helps to boost the immunity. So even this can be added in the plan. So that's very important.
Yeah, because I think a lot of people have been talking about, and I personally follow Ayurveda a lot. I am a believer
Okay.
that, medicines don't help you that much, but you really have to take care of your
Correct.
diet and you have to be very precise with what you eat. क्योंकि जब तक आप एक जैसे कहते हैं ना, जब तक आप एक प्रॉपर डाइट फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, आप
Yes,
मेडिसिन खाते रहेंगे, उसका कुछ फायदा नहीं होता है आपकी हेल्थ पे,
there is
डजंट
no,
डजंट
yeah.
इफेक्ट दैट.
Pills doesn't heal you somewhere from inside. It's just,
या
saving you from that, but it's not healing you. And when it comes
या
to science, modern science, nutrition science bolo ya Ayurveda bolo, the concept is very different. Still, there is very restrictions when we talk about Ayurveda. Okay. For example, if you're suffering from arthritis, you can't eat pulses. Okay. As per Ayurveda, you can't eat tomato, you can't eat lemon. So, yeah, the modern science and Ayurveda works in a very different manner. Where again, I don't put restrictions, but I teach people healthy lifestyle. Okay, which they can take with them for long time. It's not like that. Once you're stopping that, you're coming back to zero. But I teach a healthy lifestyle modification because honestly, diet cannot be followed for lifetime. But learning correct lifestyle modification is very important, where you're not surrounded by restrictions. Okay, but yet you are allowed to enjoy what you eat in a healthy manner. It's like that.
सो रुचिता, आई थिंक जो आज का हमारा माहौल है ना, दिस पैंडेमिक हैज हिट एवरीबॉडी एंड द एंटायर
Yes,
वर्ल्ड. ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे इट्स अ बायोलॉजिकल वॉर विच इज अगेंस्ट ह्यूमैनिटी. एंड
yes,
ऐसे में
correct.
आपका, हमारा बिजनेस तो बहुत सफर हुआ है, बिकॉज वी बिलोंग टू द इवेंट इंडस्ट्री.
Yes,
And I think
yeah,
kudos to Sanskriti events, who have powered this entire talk show, this quarantine talk
yeah.
show. And but हमारा
So
जो
this is
business है
very
बड़ा.
nice concept Sanskriti has got
Yeah,
actually. This is very nice
yeah.
concept. Thanks
So
to
kudos to
Sanskriti
Ankit.
for this.
I think Ankit is basically working, behind the scenes, and he's the main guy, brain behind
Yeah.
the entire mayhem which is going on. He's the main guy. He's the brain behind that. But anyways, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपका बिजनेस कितना इफेक्ट हुआ है. बहुत लोग डिप्रेशन में जा रहे हैं बिकॉज उनको लग रहा है कि आगे क्या होगा हमारा. बट आपका बिजनेस एज अ डाइटिशियन कैसा, कितना इफेक्ट हुआ है, या बिल्कुल भी इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ?
Okay. See, when it comes to business, अगर मैं offline बोलूँ तो yes, it is affected because you're not allowed to go out anywhere. And looking at the current situation also, people are very scared because they don't know कि what is going to happen next.
What's going to
Okay,
happen?
but
Yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah, exactly. You never know. It might happen कि कल को war छिड़ जाए दूसरा. So people are still scared, but yes, somewhere we are on with our online programs and helping again people. So yes, it's going on somehow, little by little online programs, but offline nothing is as such. You are not allowed to go out.
So but you must be doing consultations on phone. आप consultation तो कर ही रहे होगे
Yes,
फोन पे, तो easily
yes,
हो जाती
it's
कल.
going on. Yes, it's going on.
एंड रुचिता, आपको कितना ज्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है डाइट देते वक्त कि एक जो भी आपका कैंडिडेट है, अगर उसको किसी तरह के
Hmm.
एलिमेंट्स हैं, लाइक
Hmm.
कपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स दे थायराइड इज अ वेरी कॉमन इशू विद
Hmm.
विमेन.
Yeah,
आई मीन आज का
hypothyroid.
जो
Yes.
आज का जो टाइम है उसमें हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेस एंड थायराइड इज अ वेरी वेरी कॉमन इशू. तो डू यू
It's
टेक दैट
very
इन अकाउंट
common.
एंड डिवाइस डाइट फॉर देम? उनको आप
Yes,
उसके बाद
yes.
सजेस्ट करते हो?
We first take consultation. So it will be one-on-one consultation, or it can be via video calling, or it can be via normal voice calling consultation, where we first take the history, we understand the requirement. We do have different programs as per person's requirement. Okay, so if a person is suffering from PCOS, which is very
It's
common these days,
very common with women, yeah.
yeah, so from every 10 women, at least 8 people are suffering from PCOS, 8 women. Okay, we have program for diabetic people, we have program for hypothyroid people. So we have program for each and every category where we plan customized diet plans for them. After understanding their history, after taking the assessment, after understanding if they're allergic to anything, what kind of medicines they are taking, what kind of dosage they are taking, okay, everything, how is their lifestyle, if it's sedentary, if it's very sedentary, so everything has to be considered before we are planning diet plan. And then accordingly we plan and we make sure if they are coming for weight loss along with the diabetes or
हाँ
hypothyroid, right? We make
हाँ
sure that we are bringing improvement in their medical condition also naturally. Definitely it can't be cured because it's a disorder basically. It's a disorder, it's
yeah.
not a disease where if a person gets fever,
It's a
they are
functional
popping
imbalance,
pills.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's completely depends on hormones. So yes, at least we are teaching them how they can manage their lifestyle. And at least if a person is having very high diabetes, we at least bring the diabetes under control to normal.
Under control, and
And
then
we teach them how they can maintain. Yes, even it goes same with the thyroid, hyperthyroid, even it goes same with the PCOS. So at least they are living healthy life with happiness actually.
yeah, that's mental happiness is also very important
Very
because
important, yes.
yeah, I believe that I believe in a lot of spirituality, so I believe that everything is part of energy. हर चीज एक energy है.
Correct.
तो
I agree that.
खाने
I agree with you completely.
हमारे घर में शुरू से हमें सिखाते थे कि खाने से पहले वो हाथ जोड़ के खाने को एनर्जीज देते हैं, गुड एनर्जी, सो दैट हमारे
Exactly, yes.
अंदर जाके वो एक अच्छी एनर्जी क्रिएट करे. तो रुचिता,
And
आपसे
then
मैं ये
you
जानना,
pass that energy to someone else
या यू पास दैट
while
एनर्जी टू
we
समवन
connect.
एल्स.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. Acha, Ruchita, there's a lot of debate going on. I was turning a vegan, so I don't know if I'm a proper
Okay.
vegan or not.
Okay.
I left eating non-veg. I left eating non-veg. I left
Okay.
eating, now thinking of I'm thinking of leaving eggs also. And somebody
Okay.
told me you are not a vegan till you don't leave milk. जब तक आप दूध नहीं छोड़ोगे आप
Correct.
vegan नहीं हो.
Yes.
तो
So
how much true
vegan
is this?
means
How much true is this?
okay.
I'm confused.
Okay. So most of us when we see something new, different, we love to try
Yeah,
that. Though
we
we
love to
don't
try.
know it's for us or not. It's with
Yeah,
everyone.
correct.
Okay, so
Yeah.
vegan means you are not supposed to consume any animal source. It's meat,
Okay.
it's milk, it's curd as well. Okay, now
Okay.
curd, you can consume the milk which we can make from coconut, which
Okay.
we can make from oats. Yeah, so it's completely no milk, no animal source at all. So that
No
is
animal
vegan.
source.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Now in this many condition comes. If a person is lactose intolerant, so we can understand
Hmm.
okay that person is not supposed to consume milk or milk products because it's not gonna
Hmm.
suit their body.
Health.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it depends completely person to person. Okay. If you are happy to go vegan, you can
Hmm.
definitely. If it's giving you somewhere, see we have grown up drinking milk, doodh,
Yeah.
dahi, ghee. Okay. In like our in Indian culture, so it's not harmful to be to eat normal. It's completely
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, so it's not necessary a person has to go vegan if he or she wants to go for healthy lifestyle. Now here
Hmm.
we don't force you to go on any kind of
Hmm.
things which you are not comfortable with. We
Hmm.
plan as per your comfort. For some people, tea is very important.
For
Okay,
me, it is very
जिनकी
important. I can't
yes.
survive without. I can't survive
Yes.
without it.
So yes, again, so most of dietitian also say you are not supposed to consume tea when you are on healthy lifestyle or
Yeah.
if you want to lose weight. Okay, I don't put any restriction. I make sure
Hmm.
that my clients are happy and they're following it in a correct way. I give them tea, I give them rice to eat in night also. I give them everything,
Hmm.
pizza, pasta, burger, how they are comfortable. So we should
Hmm.
step in the shoe in which we are comfortable. We should not do something which you can't take it for a long time.
Yeah,
You
for a long
will
time.
do
We
for
can't
a month.
go on fighting like this.
Yes.
Yeah, for a long.
Yeah.
Not possible.
You will do that for a month or 2 months. Then after that, frustration has to come in, and then
Yeah.
it's gonna end up. Yeah.
I know. Then you're gonna
Yes.
end up putting on more weight. ज़्यादा weight बढ़ जाएगा because एकदम से we'll start hogging everything जो भी
Yes.
दिखेगी.
Exactly.
जैसे अभी हो रहा है रुचिता लॉकडाउन में, फेसबुक पे मैं देख रही हूँ, आई एम नॉट अ वेरी गुड कुक, मैं बहुत अच्छा खाना नहीं बनाती हूँ, ओके ओके खाना बनाती हूँ टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक। सो आई सी लॉट
Okay.
ऑफ पीपल पिक्चर्स फेसबुक पे, आप भी देख रहे होगे आई थिंक, कोई
Yes,
छोला भटूरा
every
बना
day.
रहा है, कोई पानी पूरी बना रहा है,
पानी पूरी
कोई
बना रहा है,
पिज्जा बना रहा है।
कोई पास्ता
तो
बना रहा है, कोई नूडल्स बना रहा है.
हाँ, तो अभी ऐसा है कि मैं सब देख रही हूँ और मेरे अंदर ना सब एक रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है मेरी मेमोरी में, और जैसे ये कोरोना वायरस एंड होगा या जैसे ये पेंडेमिक एंड होगा एंड वी विल स्टार्ट ईटिंग आउट, आई विल बी हॉगिंग एंड आई नो दैट आई विल बी पुटिंग ऑन सीरियसली, बिकॉज इतना सब कुछ टेम्पटिंग
Okay.
होता है इस वक्त फेसबुक पे, फेसबुक इज सो टेम्पटिंग, इट्स लुकिंग लाइक अ मास्टर शेफ क्लास, ऐसा लगता है मास्टर शेफ
Yeah.
क्लास हो रही है, हर कोई मास्टर शेफ है
More
आज।
more than that, mind is more, addicted. Okay, now I want to
Yeah,
eat this. Now you're
now I
reminding me
want
to
to,
eat this.
या वो क्या होता है ना कि कोई चीज जब तक आप नहीं देखते हो तब तक इट्स फाइन, बट जब आपकी
Correct.
आंखों के सामने वो
Doesn't
चीज
come
आती
in
है,
mind. Yeah.
हाँ, स्पेशली फूड, तो यू फील लाइक हैविंग इट, यू फील लाइक हैविंग पिज्जा, यू फील लाइक हैविंग छोला
Yeah.
भटूरा। तो
And
आपने कुछ
especially when you
आपने
take it in mind, तो फिर वो तो रह ही
या
जाता है.
तो रुचिता, आपने कोई डिश ऐसी ट्राई की हो या आपने कुछ ट्राई किया हो, योर हैंड्स ऑन कुकिंग, एनीथिंग व्हिच यू
I
ट्राइड
keep
एंड
on
यू,
cooking. I keep on cooking. I love to cook. So when I get free time from my work, I cook for my family. So it's
हम्म
week में at least 4 to 5 times I cook. Mostly in quarantine. Yes, I'm doing that. I'm cooking some of the healthy stuff for my family. If they demand for samosa, I feed them tasty yet baked samosa.
अच्छा, baked
Cause I
samosa, it
can't.
has potato,
Yeah, baked.
it has potato inside, it has potato
Yes, with
inside,
potato. Yes,
oh,
with
with,
potato, but whole wheat flour. I use instead of maida, and I'm
okay,
baking it. Yeah, so yet I'm, not allowing them to compromise on their taste, but yet I'm giving them healthy. So a lot of demands are coming if they want to eat vada. So I make it in a different way, and paniyaram mold. You must be knowing that. So I make in that. We call it appe
hmm
also. So I use
hmm
that. So it's again a healthy version, of making vada pav. It's like that.
hmm
So I'm giving them Frankie also, but I'm making sure that I'm using, yogurt dressing instead of mayo or cheese. I do add little
hmm
cheese for the taste because it becomes bit good. But then I'm using
hmm
instead of mayo again I'm using a hunkered, dressing in
hmm
which I'm adding little bit of, red chili powder. I'm adding pepper. I'm adding lemon juice in that, and then you can mix it
hmm
with veggies also. It tastes still good. You can add paneer. So I have
hmm
to give them healthy version. It's like that. So
yeah,
yeah,
so you
so they are
keep
enjoying.
experimenting, you keep
Yeah,
experimenting stuff कि
yes,
इसको
I
इसको
do.
ये किया ये टिपिकल। तो मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगी रुचिता, अभी आपके क्या, अभी तो आई नो सब लोग क्वारंटीन में हैं, वी ऑल आर होम,
Hmm.
बट आपने क्या,
Yeah,
सब लोगों ने कुछ प्लान किया है कि जैसे ही क्वारंटीन खत्म होगा या ये लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा, वी एवरीबडी हैज प्लान समथिंग और द अदर, तो आपके आपके
yes.
क्या प्लान्स हैं पर्सनली
So plan.
एंड करियर वाइज, बोथ प्लान्स।
Okay, now personally, personally, once if the lockdown is open, I would like to run parlor. In that case, first, uh, to get few things done. Then I am planning to come up with my workshop also, which I was already planning, but then the Corona came, so that plan got stuck. So I'm planning for workshops also in that case, where again I'll be teaching people how they can follow their lifestyle and how they can change their lifestyle in a healthy way, how they can eat healthy. So small tips will also help them somewhere, because it's very important, you know uh, until and unless you're not creating awareness, people will not understand.
Not understand, yeah.
Yeah, it's very important to create awareness. So yeah, once the lockdown
एक
get
चीज,
open,
वन थिंग व्हिच आई हैव नोटिस, एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की कोरोना के आने के बाद, दैट
hmm,
पीपल हैव बिकम मोर अवेयर ऑफ बीइंग हेल्दी। जैसे पहले
hmm,
भी था, मतलब देयर लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर कॉन्शियस अबाउट जिमिंग एंड एक्सरसाइजिंग, ईटिंग हेल्दी, बट अब जो कोरोना आया है, everybody knows that there is no vaccination which is being made for corona right now, as of
Yeah,
now,
correct.
till today.
Yeah.
तो everybody knows the only way अपने को सेव करने का जो सबसे अच्छा तरीका है वो ये है कि आपकी इम्यूनिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज हर डॉक्टर, एवरी डॉक्टर इज सेइंग द सेम थिंग, दे आर रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग कि इम्यूनिटी आपकी बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. तो अब मैं देख रही हूँ सडनली बहुत सारे लोग जो है ना, दे आर वर्किंग ऑन देयर इम्यूनिटी, दे हैव स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग, क्वारंटीन है बट छत पे people have
Still
started
they are
walking.
walking. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
best part which I saw, which was a very big difference, वो ये था कि लोगों ने सनलाइट लेनी शुरू कर दी. लोग सनलाइट, जो लोग नहीं
Yeah.
लेते थे, उन्होंने सनलाइट लेनी शुरू कर दी, बिकॉज दे
Yes.
गॉट टू नो देयर आर एम्पल बेनिफिट्स ऑफ सनलाइट, एंड सनलाइट के बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं.
Yes.
तो दे स्टार्टेड टेकिंग सनलाइट एंड आई वाज लाइक अमेज्ड. इनफैक्ट अभी भी जब मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, जस्ट अक्रॉस यू आई हैव अ ह्यूज हाउस ओवर हियर, मेरे पड़ोसी हैं यहाँ पे, एंड उनकी छत है बहुत बड़ी.
Okay.
Without fail, every day there are three people in the house. They come with a mat, yoga mat, and they do yoga. They do
Okay.
breathing exercises.
Okay.
So this is a change which I saw after Corona happened.
Yes, change in people, and even you can see less pollution now. You can
Yeah.
you can see at least काफी animals भी दिख रहे हैं हमें आसपास
हाँ.
जो नहीं दिखते थे पहले. Pollution,
दिखते थे
even you can feel the breeze. The atmosphere is good. Basically, it's light outside. But once the lockdown is over, it's gonna come back to zero. That's for sure.
I
It's on
know the
us
pollution
now
will
how.
again come back to square one.
Yeah.
That's वो तो इनविटेबल है, वो तो होना ही है. बट अभी फिलहाल मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि लोगों में बहुत ज्यादा एक अवेयरनेस आ गई है हेल्थ को लेके, स्पेशली वर्किंग आउट, taking sunlight, and relying on natural products rather than supplements, or rather than relying on दवाइयों के ऊपर, allopathy. People are more, I think people are exercising more, people are taking more of what you said. You make this kind of a concoction, which I also make,
Yeah.
with haldi and with adrak, with kali mirch,
Yeah.
and I think long is also there.
Yes, because
Yeah.
that will
So
somewhere help you, to save and boost your immunity. So yes, healthy eating is also important, and making sure we eat nicely cooked food is also very important to keep healthy.
अच्छा,
That's important.
रुचिता, आप सबसे पूछते होगे डाइट बनाने से पहले कि आपका फेवरेट फूड क्या है, पूछते होगे ना?
First thing, first question. Yes,
ना?
yes.
तो आप ये क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी, आपका फेवरेट फूड क्या है रुचिता? व्हाट डू यू लाइक ईटिंग, व्हाट डू यू रिलिश, आपको क्या पसंद है सबसे ज्यादा?
Okay. So वैसे तो I'm very moody person. It depends on my mood. But I like to eat pizza. That's the most favorite. And
Okay.
rajma chawal. That's my most favorite. अगर आप राजमा चावल दे दोगे और पास्ता रखोगे, I'm gonna choose rajma chawal. It's like that.
Same.
So
I am also a rajma चावल girl. इनफैक्ट अभी मैंने संस्कृति इवेंट्स का एक और मैंने लाइव टॉक शो होस्ट किया था. There was this very famous actress, Sakshi, एक actress थी, and she was also. I gave her this rapid fire question and I asked her, "What will you have first, pizza, pasta, or rajma chawal?" She also said rajma chawal. So I think rajma
Yes.
chawal is like the cuisine for everybody in the entire nation. हर कोई rajma
everybody,
chawal
yes. Yes.
तो रुचिता, आप अभी के जो मौसम है हमारा, जैसे हम देख रहे हैं कि गर्मी अब शुरू हो गई है, summers अब आ गई है, there's a lot of heat and lot of I think there's too much of sunlight. कभी-कभी बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है. तो ये इस मौसम में आप एडवाइस करेंगे लोगों को कि उनको क्या खाना चाहिए जिससे एक तो इम्यूनिटी उनकी अच्छी रहे, एंड दूसरा चीज उनका स्किन अच्छा रहे, बिकॉज गर्मी में आई डोंट नो लोगों का है कि नहीं, मुझे रैशेस की बहुत इश्यूज होते हैं. आई गेट स्मॉल बम्प्स on my hands, face, these heat rashes, what you can say.
Yes. Okay, so garmi mein, when it comes to external skin, I mostly rub eyes. Okay. Now when we use green tea also, the used green tea bags can be simply boiled in water. Okay, and you can simply freeze it in the freezer. It will become ice. Okay, so on the clean face, especially in summers, we can rub that. It will help. Okay, now coming to eating part. It's better to include more of smoothies in your routine. We can include infused water as well, where infused water is nothing but you just add some fruits and vegetables. For example, I'll give you one or two recipes for a rough idea. These days, mangoes, they are, they're the king of the summer basically. So we
Guess
can
what
take
favorite fruit is
few.
one? Mango.
Okay, yes. So you can take at least 4 to 5 cubes of mangoes. You can add some chia seeds or sabja, okay, in 1 liter of water, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds sabja, a few leaves of fresh mint leaves, okay, to a 4 to 5 cubes of mango. Let that infuse for at least 2 to 3 hours, okay, or you can make it a day before, okay, freeze it over, just refrigerate overnight, and then next morning you can enjoy either cold or at room temperature. Okay, or in case if you're making it in morning, you can infuse it for 2 hours. Similarly, you can take 1 liter of water, 2 to 3 slices of cucumber. You can add 1 inch of ginger. You can add a green tea bag in that. So that again makes a instant infused water. Let it infuse for 2 hours. So even infused water can be included. Okay, lemon water. You can include 1 glass of lemon water in your daily routine. Because in summer we prefer more to drink apart from eating. खाने का
Yeah.
ज़्यादा मन नहीं करता. We don't
We
will to
feel
eat that
thirsty.
much.
Yeah, we feel
Yes,
more thirsty rather than hungry.
thirsty, hungry.
Hmm.
Yes. So even in buttermilk, it's better to add black salt rather than adding normal white salt in that. Even somewhere it helps a lot along with the black salt to kill that heatness from your body. So
Hmm.
these things can be included in daily life,
Hmm.
at least for some.
Hmm. हाँ वो तो। एंड रुचिता, मैंने ये भी सुना है बहुत सारे लोग, जैसे हमारे बड़े बूढ़े कहते थे, मुझे याद है अभी भी, कि गर्मियों में ना एग्स खाने बंद कर देते थे एंड बोलते थे कि अंडे नहीं खाओ, गर्मी हो जाएगी। तो इज इट ट्रू? ये क्या मतलब, इज इट अ ट्रू थिंग कि आप अंडे नहीं खाने चाहिए गर्मी में, कम कर देने चाहिए, समथिंग लाइक दैट?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है बेसिकली. यू कैन ईट एग्स, बट when it comes to eating also, now many people mix, when we call a food की तासी गर्म होती है या ठंडी होती है, it needs to keep a balance. We should create a balance between that. Okay, sometimes we think when we eat this, it's going to hamper our body, but we have to make sure that we are balancing it. रीजन ये होता है, बट चीज कुछ और निकलती है. ठीक है, हम जैसे अगर हम बोले एग्स, आपने जैसे कहा एग्स,
एग्स, हाँ।
आप एग्स खा सकते हो. यस, यू कैन ईट 1 to 2 eggs minimum. Okay, that again depends on person to person. Okay, but how do we combine the ingredients? Some people make it more spicy, some people add more oil or maybe ghee while cooking, so even that changes the nature of the food. If you're eating normal cooked food, जैसे boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, but yet little bit less spicy, okay, and especially in summers, and little bit of less oil, so it's not gonna hamper. So it also depends how you're making and how you're balancing the things while cooking also.
Yeah, that is very important because
Yeah,
I have seen that whenever I eat boil eggs, जब भी मैं boil करके eggs खाती हूँ, because उसमें बिल्कुल भी oil नहीं होता, तो बहुत हल्के होते हैं, it is very light when you
हाँ,
eat it. लेकिन
correct.
जब आप वही सेम एग्स को अगर आप एक ऑमलेट बना के खाते हो और फ्राई करते हो बहुत ज्यादा घी में या तेल में, इट बिकम्स
Yes,
वेरी हैवी.
yes, it becomes heavy, and that also creates a heat in your body, especially in summer के time पे. So that is also very important how you're cooking. Now again, most people
अच्छा,
get
एक
pimples
क्वेश्चन
when they
है,
eat mango also.
एक क्वेश्चन है किसी का, आलोक पांडे उनका नाम है. उन्होंने लिखा है,
Hmm.
मैम आई डोनेटेड ब्लड अबाउट 3 days बैक, what diet I should take to maintain immunity system? All right. So he has donated
Okay.
his blood 3 days back and he's asking you कि क्या diet वो ले जिससे उनका immunity system जो है वो boost हो जाए.
Okay. Now, first of all, Alok, make sure that जैसे आपने ब्लड डोनेट किया, यू कीपिंग योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट हाइड्रेटेड, ओके. सेकेंडली, इंक्लूड food which are healthy, include dates in your routine, include beetroot in your routine, include nuts in your routine, okay, since you have donated the blood, okay. And make sure that you are not eating junk for at least a week now.
हम्म।
And
तो
immunity
रुचिता,
के लिए तो yes.
रुचिता बहुत सारे लोग ना ये कहते हैं कि जैसे ब्लड अगर आप डोनेट करते हो तो वो ब्लड बनने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है बॉडी में दोबारा से, एंड वो जो
No,
गैप होता
that
है,
hmm,
दैट ट्रू या
hmm.
फिर इज फॉल्स? आई जस्ट वांट टू रिकन्फर्म बिकॉज आई आल्सो डोंट नो अबाउट इट।
No, it's not like that. As soon as
हम्म
आप कोई ब्लड डोनेट करता है, ठीक है, ब्लड स्टार्ट्स, आरबीसी बनना चालू हो जाता है. नाउ दिस आल्सो
हम्म
डिपेंड्स, एज फैक्टर भी होता है. व्हेन यू ग्रो
हम्म
ओल्ड, खून की बनने की कैपेसिटी कम हो जाती है बॉडी के हिसाब से, ओके.
हम्म
इफ समवन इज यंग, यस, द ब्लड स्टार्ट्स टू गेट डेवलप, फॉर्मेशन होना
हम्म
चालू हो जाता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि खून नहीं बनता है. अगर
हम्म
खून नहीं बनना चालू होगा उसी टाइम पे, सब पर्सन कांट गेट अप आल्सो फ्रॉम अ प्लेस, उसे कांस्टेंट चक्कर आएंगे.
रुचिता, और मैं अपने लिए पूछना चाहूंगी, अपने लिए क्या मतलब सारी लड़कियों के लिए, सब जानती हैं मैं क्या पूछने वाली हूँ।
हाँ.
डाइट में एक ऐसी चीज जिससे हमारे बाल और हमारी स्किन जो है वो हमेशा अच्छी
हम्म.
रहे, यू नो व्हाट टू इंक्लूड इन द डाइट, क्या खाना चाहिए हमें?
Okay. Okay, so when it comes to hair and skin, one should eat iron rich, one should eat biotin and zinc rich diet. Okay. Now again
हम्म
in that comes nuts. You have to include daily at least 2 servings. But again you have to make
हम्म
sure the quantity also, how much you're eating.
हम्म
Okay, and that
हम्म
include lots of green veggies in that, palak, kale, even those are very good,
हम्म
broccoli, cauliflower, soya bean.
हम्म
Now here I'm not talking about the soya chunks, but I'm talking about the soya bean. Okay,
द पल्स वन,
which,
जो pulse
yeah,
होगी।
the pulse one.
हाँ
Yes,
हाँ।
even those are very good. Tofu, tofu is also very good for your skin and your hair. And tomorrow I'm launching already a video on that, hair fall. So I
हम्म
think that will be very helpful for people. I'm
ओह,
launching
वेयर डू
on
यू
my
पोस्ट?
Healthy Mantra channel. I have a YouTube channel, so I'll be posting that video on my YouTube channel, Healthy Mantra by Ruchita Maheshwari. So guys, do check out the same. It will be a very helpful video for many people who have hair fall problem.
या,
So yes,
there are a lot of people who are facing hair fall problem. I was facing a lot of
yes,
hair fall problem अभी 2 months back बिकॉज सर्दियों में मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है, मेरे बाल झड़ने लगते हैं सारे, आधे हो जाते हैं मेरे बाल,
yes.
देन वापस समर्स में ठीक हो जाते हैं। आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट हैपेंस।
It depends on climatic condition also. It depends on, from season to season, even what kind of a products we are using externally for your
या
face and your skin, even that matters. Because needs change as per climate also externally. So it goes both.
रुचिता, आपसे मैं ये भी बोलना चाहूंगी, क्या अवेयरनेस मैसेज एक आप देना चाहोगे हमारे व्यूअर्स को, बिकॉज यूर अ डाइटिशियन, आप न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हो, सो यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन कि आप उनको कुछ एडवाइस दें, स्पेशली आज का जो माहौल है हमारा, यू नो आपको पता है क्या है इस वक्त, क्या हम लोग फेस कर रहे हैं सबके
Yes.
सब। तो इवन इफ वी रिकवर फ्रॉम दिस, इवन इफ यू नो हाइपोथेटिकली अगर हम बोले कि चलिए इसकी वैक्सीन भी अगर आ जाती है, बट
Hmm.
स्टिल
Hmm.
हमको ऐसा क्या अपनी डाइट में रोज इंक्लूड करना चाहिए जो जिससे हमारी इम्यूनिटी भी अच्छी रहे और साथ में वी फील रीजेनरेटेड, वी फील फिट एंड वी फील एनर्जेटिक, क्या चीजें
Okay.
हैं?
So see, agar if you're keeping junk aside from your life for some time, okay, not for some time, it will be really good. Eating healthy, which includes everything. Now, I won't talk any kind of restrictions here, because if we talk about restrictions, so for some people, roti will also a restriction. Roti ho gaya, rice ho gaya, sab restrictions mein hi aa jayega. So you are allowed to eat everything. Eat cooked food. I would say, as I told before, eat cooked food. Include at least 2 servings of fruits in your routine, 2 servings of nuts in your routine. make sure that when you're going out you're using gloves and mask, and when you're coming back with, with the products, make sure that you're
Hmm.
sanitizing it. If it's vegetables or fruits, make sure you're washing it nicely,
Hmm.
sanitize karo. So make sure you're using, externally, if it's a plastic based package, make sure you're using
Hmm.
spirit for sanitizing.
Hmm.
Keep sanitizer with you. Always wash your hands whenever kahin
Hmm.
pe bhi ja rahe ho, kuch chhu bhi liya, make sure you're washing your hands with your soap and water. Even that is very important. Make sure you're
Yeah.
covering your hair also when you're going out,
Hmm.
because it can come from anywhere. Social
Yeah, the virus.
distancing, yes, it's very important to, follow.
Hmm.
Some people are not following still, but
Hmm.
it's very important to follow social distancing also, and eat
Yeah, social
ghar ka
distancing is
khana.
very
For
important.
now, eat everything. Don't
Hmm.
keep any kind of restriction, but moderation is the key. You can eat ghee, you can eat fried also, make sure but it's homemade. That is very
Hmm.
important. And the oil which you're using, even that is very important.
Yeah.
So we
And
know
Ruchita,
हम जब
I
घर पे बनाते हैं तो वो अच्छा होता है, it's safe to eat.
हाँ, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल। रुचिता, आपके बारे में मैंने मुझे जो मिला था डाउनलोड, वो ये था, आपका यूएसपी ये है दैट आप सबसे यम्मीएस्ट ऑफ डाइट्स बताते हो। एंड आपके डाइट्स जो होते हैं, इट्स नॉट बेसिकली डाइट, जैसे आपने बोला लाइफस्टाइल चेंज है, थोड़ा-सा आपको चेंज
Yes.
करना पड़ेगा। बट आई थिंक आपके डाइट्स में कहीं भी ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता दैट टेस्ट बड्स जो सैटिस्फाई होते ही होते हैं उसमें।
100%. Yes. As I said, we plan as per comfort. If a
या
person prefer more of Indian kind of food, we give them. Okay. If a person wants something fancy or Western, it can be pizza, pasta, burger. We plan in that manner. So basically, we don't make you feel that you're following any kind of diet plan with us. It goes
हुँ,
so well and easy. So people
हुँ,
ask me, when I send them diet plans, ma'am, are you sure
हुँ,
you want us to eat like this? So much you have given to eat. आप sure हो क्या ये हम खा सकते हैं? So yes. So somewhere it's making client also happy, and काफी सारी myths भी break होती है clients की, जो
हुँ,
लोग उन्हें misguide कर देते हैं. कि ये
हुँ,
नहीं खाना चाहिए, वो नहीं खाना चाहिए. So even
हुँ,
myths are broken while they have journey with us. So yes, they
हुँ।
enjoy, and then they understand basically, okay, now this is something very nice lifestyle which I can take forward for lifetime.
Yeah, because if you include things which you like in your diet, which you prefer eating, तो आप वो डाइट को कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो। बट अगर आपको एक ऐसी डाइट दे दी
Correct.
जाएगी, जैसे मुझे एक डाइट दे दी गई, जहाँ पे मुझे बोला जाएगा कि उबली हुई सब्जियां खाओ, बॉइल्ड वेजिटेबल ही
Oh
खानी है,
god.
रोटी नहीं खानी, चावल नहीं खाना, तो मैं तो कंटिन्यू नहीं कर सकती। आई डोंट नो, देयर आर पीपल हु जो करते हैं कंटिन्यू। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो
There
बॉइल्ड
are
वेजिटेबल्स,
people.
या
Yes,
देयर आर
there are
पीपल,
people.
या
And the I don't understand the people who suggest this kind of, give suggestions like this, कि steam khao or blank food khao. First we should ask them, क्या ये आपने कभी किया है जिंदगी में जो आप ये सजेस्ट कर रहे हो?
आई नो
Person can do
इट्स वेरी
that.
डिफिकल्ट।
Yeah, it's very difficult. It's very difficult.
अच्छा, जाते जाते रुचिता, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगी, एक बड़ा फैड चल रहा है आजकल, मैं देख रही हूँ इंडस्ट्री में, स्पेशली इन बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री, there are a lot of actors who are following this fad called keto diet,
Keto
and
diet, yes.
actresses like Jacqueline Fernandez, I think उनका भी मैंने एक इंटरव्यू देखा था, उसमें she was saying that she's on a keto diet. So
Keto diet.
what are your views about keto diet? How do you think that is it
Okay.
ये डाइट हमें
That's
करनी
not the
चाहिए?
ultimate. Okay, that's not the ultimate solution, because keto is
Yeah.
basically high fat and high protein diet, okay, which was designed for epilepsy people.
Hmm.
Epilepsy people who get fits basically. Okay, and again, you can't follow this diet for lifetime. It's, you can kind of, you can say, temporary. Okay, and
Hmm.
person, if a person have a kidney history or high
Hmm.
cholesterol history, then he's gone for sure within a week.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
apart from this, it's not a balanced diet. See, somewhere you need carbs also for your body. Even that is very
Yeah.
important, and that is the first source of energy that will be used in our body. apart from, because many people say, okay, once you stop the carbs, then fat starts burning as a source of energy, but then it's again dangerous. It's not that safe, and you can't follow this for a lifetime also. So yes, there are, so this is basically, how you market your stuff. Basically it's like that, nothing else, but
Yeah,
it's not safe to follow.
this is basically a quick fix diet I think, जिसमें जल्दी से आपको
Yes.
इफेक्ट दिखाई देगा बिकॉज आप प्रोटीन खा रहे हो
हाँ,
और कार्ब्स आपने बिल्कुल खत्म कर दिया तो ऑब्वियसली आपको फर्क दिखेगा.
it's basically you start to lose water also and muscles also, but it's human psychology, जो हमें वेट पे स्केल पे दिखता है, हम समझते वही वेट लॉस है या फैट लॉस है, but then we don't understand the logic behind that. Okay, that can be water weight loss also. आप muscles भी lose कर सकते हो उससे, what's going inside your body, your cholesterol may become imbalanced. They may, they may rise. You may face kidney problem, which is irreversible, which you
Yeah,
come to
because
know afterwards.
I have not done keto diet ever, but I tried high protein diet. It was not keto, but it was high protein, and it did not suit me. मुझे नहीं suit हुई protein diet बिल्कुल भी.
Will not. You will
Yeah,
get constipation or diarrhea. This is a very
yeah.
first symptom.
I started developing a lot of rashes around my body with that diet, with the high protein diet, especially. Yeah.
And even bloating take place when you follow very high fat and high protein diet in many cases.
एंड रुचिता, आपका इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग के बारे में क्या आपकी राय है? ये भी बहुत बड़ा फैड है, बहुत चल रहा है आज इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग इट, सो डन इट, बट व्हाट इज योर, I would like to hear it from you, that what is your take on it?
Okay, now this depends again on person to person. I would suggest, frankly, as per my opinion and my suggestion, okay, ki follow a intermittent fasting diet. If a person is diabetic, I can't ask person to fast. They cannot. They cannot do. Similarly, in the same way, if you're fasting for a very long time, it hampers your metabolism somewhere inside. Because see, I would say, just I'll give you one example. Okay, similarly, a car needs a petrol to run, correct? Similarly, body needs food to run. Okay, if you're not supplying enough food, okay, enough nutrition to your body, it's not gonna run for a long time. It's gonna give you somewhere, a backfiring आपको मिलेगी body की तरफ से. Then you can't complain to your body कि मुझे खुद को क्या हो गया, ये क्या हो गया, because until you realize it's very late, you can't reverse that. So we should follow things in which we are comfortable. We should not go as per the fashion.
We have a question from Samarth Ajay Maheshwari, and उनका question है, can diabetic person go for a protein diet?
Do you mean अगर आप high protein diet की बात कर रहे हो, so no, it's not recommended if you are a diabetic and wants to go for a very high protein diet, because then somewhere it's not gonna suit. Make sure that you're keeping it rich in fiber, your diet, so that will help you to control somewhere your blood sugar levels.
So we have a question from Harsh Kishore, and he's saying, late night Maggie good for health or not?
इसका आंसर तो सबको पता है. Okay, now Maggie, we all know it's not healthy at all. Okay, come on, a packed food which says expiry of 6 months or a year, can that be healthy? No, it cannot be healthy. But in case if you're craving some days for Maggie, okay, you can add some veggies, okay, so that at least the nutrition in that is increased. Okay, so yes, on some days it's okay.
आपसे मैं एक चीज पूछना चाहूंगी. अभी आजकल ना बहुत सारे लोगों का रूटीन बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो गया है. पीपल आर स्लीपिंग आफ्टरनून और रात में जगे हुए हैं सारे बिकॉज ऑफ क्वारंटाइन. तो अगर रात में हमें बहुत जोर की भूख लगती है, क्रेविंग होती है खाने डिनर के बाद भी कभी कभी, बिकॉज आप रात में जगे रहते हो, तो ऐसा क्या खाना चाहिए रुचिता जो मतलब आपके वेट को भी हैम्पर नहीं करे और आपकी हेल्थ के लिए भी ठीक हो? ऐसी क्या चीज आप सजेस्ट करोगे रात में खाने के लिए?
The best thing I would suggest, अगर रात को आप late night जगे हो, you can opt some popcorns, salted popcorns. You can go with roasted makhana or with kind of a spicy makhana. आप वो ले सकते हो. You can simply make some homemade chula also we make, but that's a non-fried version. Okay, you can add some coconut and peanuts still, but it should not be fried. Make sure that you're roasting and then you're adding. So that becomes a correct way rather than frying. So you can have local poha chura also in the night. Even this will work. You can go with roasted chana or peanuts also in that case. That's not a problem. You can have open toast also if you're very hungry. Like open toast means simply you can put the vegetables which are left in the dinner. Just top it up on the bread, toast it and have it. Even this can be done. That's not going to hamper.
पर ये होता है ना, जनरली लोगों के पास पेशेंस नहीं होता, तो वो मैगी ही एक रिजॉर्ट होता है लास्ट कि हम मैगी फटाफट बना लेते हैं.
जल्दी से दो. Maggi will take more time than open toast. Simply अगर डिनर की कोई भी वेजिटेबल पल्स बचा है, ड्राई पल्स या वेजिटेबल, simply toast. It will not take more than 2 to 3 minutes, I think. सिर्फ simply अगर if you like to keep it toast, just toast on the one side and soft layer पे you just apply it and you can eat. It's ready to eat. उसमें कुछ मेहनत ही नहीं है. You don't have to cut any veggies or anything. Or the best thing goes makhana. You can simply roast and keep the makhanas because you know that you're आपको पता है आप जगने वाले हो, सब जगने वाले मूवी देखना है, आप फिर प्री प्रिपरेशंस करके रख सकते हो इस चीज की. So then when you are hungry, it will take very less time than Maggi also. सिर्फ डब्बा लेना और खाना है.
तो रुचिता, आपने हमको सबको बताया कि क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए, हाउ शुड वी फॉलो द डाइट. जाते जाते आपसे मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि आप सबको डाइट बताते हो, आपकी डाइट क्या है? व्हाट डू यू ईट? व्हाट इज योर सीक्रेट?
पूछते हैं
आप इतनी पतली कैसे हो?
ओके, ये सब मेहनत है. ठीक है ना. आई डोंट, अगेन एज आई सेड, जैसे मैं क्लाइंट्स के लिए रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं रखती हूँ. सो व्हाट आई फॉलो, व्हाट आई डू, आई टीच टू माय क्लाइंट्स आल्सो. आई ईट एवरीथिंग. I don't keep any kind of restrictions thinking about that will make me gain weight. Okay, in case if I'm craving for pizza also, junk also some days to eat, I know my mind know where I have to stop. Okay, and that's what I teach to my clients also. See, overeating is okay in the excitement, but then later on you fall in the guilt, thinking like, actually, oh God, I have done overeating. Now tomorrow I'm gonna detox or I'm gonna starve for the compensation. So I completely avoid that situation. So
Ruchita, I'm sure back of the camera, I'm sure Ankit must be watching us. And मैंने सुना है अंकित को डाइट से बड़ी नफरत है. ये मैंने सुना है किसी से. उड़ती उड़ती खबर मुझे आई है, अंकित हेट्स डाइट. तो अंकित को कौन सी डाइट में डालना चाहोगे? अंकित को कौन सी डाइट में डालना चाहोगे?
अंकित ऑलरेडी हमारे क्लाइंट रह चुके and I think he has you can say ex-client of us. Yeah, so he used to enjoy a lot in the plan. He never told me, Ruchita, I'm bored or I'm not able to do this, I'm not able to do that. Yes, he enjoyed a lot. Like he was like, oh, that's a very new concept.
अंकित को जितने लोग जानते हैं, we all know, अंकित के जितने लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं, we all know that अंकित loves traveling. और जब ये कोरोना नहीं हुआ था, अंकित was always out.
Yes, he used to post photos. I'm like, yeah, good, keep roaming. But since the corona started, everything is now.
Yeah. तो अंकित के लिए क्या एक डाइट में क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे आप? अंकित को क्या इंक्लूड करना चाहिए अभी जो देख के जो है?
अंकित नो. वैसे तो अंकित knows how to, now he has learned how to manage his lifestyle in a healthy way. So yes, he knows that already. But still, if he has any queries, he's always welcome. He can always let me know about that. Yes.
हमारा बहुत अच्छा सेशन रहा एंड थैंक यू सो मच. आप यहाँ पर आए हमारे साथ और आपने इतनी सारी इंस्पिरेटिव बातें शेयर की. एंड मेरे पर्सनल बहुत सारे डाउट्स थे, जैसे मैंने बोला वीगन को लेके डाउट था, मिल्क को लेके डाउट था, देन कीटो को लेके मुझे बहुत ज्यादा आई वाज एक्चुअली थिंकिंग कि शुड आई स्टार्ट कीटो और नॉट, बट नाउ व्हेन यू हैव
I'm
टोल्ड
glad
मी
you
आई
asked me that.
I will not even try because previous experience मेरा बहुत अच्छा नहीं रहा. एंड डायबिटीज के लिए भी आपने बताया कि इंटरमिटेड फास्टिंग जो होती है इट इज नॉट गुड एंड अच्छी नहीं
No.
होती है सारी चीजें. प्लस आपने बहुत सारे अच्छे हमारे साथ मेन्यू भी शेयर किए एंड बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका रुचिता आने के लिए, हमारे साथ जुड़ने
Thank
के
you,
लिए आज.
Akansha.
थैंक यू. सो
I would
जाते
like to
जाते कुछ
thank Ankit also for this.
थैंक्स टू
I really enjoyed his sessions
थैंक्स टू
and
अंकित दैट
Sanskriti
ही
events.
दिस क्वारंटीन टॉक टुगेदर. जाते जाते आप कुछ व्यूअर्स को कहना चाहोगे, कुछ उनको अपनी तरफ से कुछ मैसेज देना चाहोगे?
I would only say eat healthy and stay safe. Don't try
Yeah.
anything which you Google and which you know hear from your neighborhood. Always first understand and then you try. That's the only concern because most
Always
of
take
people,
professional
yeah,
help. Always take a
yes,
professional help.
because
Yeah.
it's very important because when they try and when they come to us, the case is
Hmm.
sometimes very worst. बोलते ना हम खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी पे कूद जाते हैं कभी कभी. It's like that. So yes, for now it's very important to eat healthy, stay safe, and take each and every precaution. Don't take things lightly. Try to avoid going out till the case of corona is not settled down, because looking at the situation we don't know when things will come to
Yeah.
normal.
Correct.
So yes,
Yeah. Thank you so much, Suchita. Thank you, Ruchita. Thank you so much, Ruchita, for your time. And thank you
yeah,
so much for your patience, for being so patient and answering each and every question. इतने आराम से, इतने patiently आपने answer किया. और अपना जो भी
thank you.
आपकी knowledge, आपने आपने अपनी knowledge हमारे साथ share करी. Thank you so much, and thanks to Sanskriti event
Welcome.
for taking this initiative, and Ankit being the main guy behind this entire
Yes.
talk show. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Have a nice day. And viewers से कहना चाहूंगी, stay
Thank you.
safe, stay home, और अपना ध्यान रखिए. और जो जो रुचिता ने बताया है हमें प्लीज फॉलो कीजिए.
follow.
उन्होंने जो जो आप रेसिपीज भी बताई हैं उसे भी फॉलो कीजिए. एंड रुचिता से जल्दी डाइट ले लीजिए, क्योंकि वो आपको पिज्जा पास्ता खाने नहीं करेंगी. ठीक है रुचिता? Thank you so
Yes,
much.
Akash. It was lovely having you. Bye.
It was lovely having you too. Bye. Take care. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.